Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are cooking beef shin on stove top until it falls off the bone. We'll cook it slowly. Let's begin. Chop the fresh parsley or the fresh basil. Set it aside. Then slice the garlic cloves. Wash and peel the carrot, then cut it into chunks. Then do the same with the onion. Cut it into chunks. Because we are braising the meat, meaning we're going to cook it for a long time. We don't want those carrots to crumble. Put flour in a container, then season it with salt and pepper. Mix. Then coat the meat and shake off the excess flour from the meat. A very warm welcome to the new viewers. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. I'm glad you came. Cut open slits on the side membrane of each piece so that it doesn't shrink and curl up. You know when you're frying and it curls up. Heat the pan until it is smoking hot, then add oil, then seal the meat, meaning brown it. We are doing this on high heat. I will leave a list of ingredients in the description box below. Once it's brown, then you can turn it over. Then take it out of the pan. A big shout out to my returning subscribers, my easy family. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel. You are the best. Scrape the debris if it's bent. Do not wash the pan. Pour the red grape juice or the cooking wine, then reduce it. This is where some flavor lies. This is red grape juice. Set the wine or the juice reduction aside for later. Then heat oil in the same pan. Then fry the onion and carrots. Aswashi lutho samavila. Add fresh thyme and rosemary. Stir. Cook it for about 2 minutes on medium heat. Add the garlic. Stir. Then follow by adding bay leaves, tomato paste, and stir. Allow these flavors to blend for about a minute. Add a can of tomatoes. Stir. Then add fresh parsley and stir. Add back the meat. Cover it with the sauce to allow the meat and the sauce to marry each other. Add the beef stock, stir, then the juice reduction or wine reduction, stir and cook the meat for 3 to 3.5 hours. Cook on low heat, stirring occasionally in between. Taste the gravy or the meat, then season with salt and pepper if necessary, especially the salt. Add vinegar and stir. Remove the meat from the pot. Be careful that the meat falls off the bone. It might splatter on you. Do not throw away the veggies. Strain the gravy. Add the cold unsalted butter because we have already added salt in the gravy. Then put it in a pan and reduce the gravy. You may add the cornstarch if you would like to do so. I am showing that it is thick here. Serve it hot. Mine, I served it with creamed samp and it was so delicious. The video for the creamed samp it will follow. Please press the like button and leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this recipe. I hope you will enjoy this OSSO BUCO or the Beef Shin. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.